Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up TP-Link EAP673 Wi-Fi Extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for all over your home, then this TP-Link Wi-Fi router setup is the one of the best solution. The TP-Link EAP673 is a high-performance Wi-Fi 6 ceiling mount access point that can also work as a wireless extender to boost your network coverage. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, connect the EAP673 to power. Either use a post switch/injector or the included power adapter. Wait for the device's LED to turn solid/on, meaning it's powered and ready. On your phone/laptop, search for available Wi-Fi. You will see a default SSID like TP-Link EAP_XXXX. The exact name is printed on the label under the device. Connect to this Wi-Fi network. If asked for a password, check the label/sticker on the device. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox. In the address bar, type http://tplink.eap.net or http://192.168.0.254. Press Enter. The login screen will appear. Login with default credentials. Username is admin and password is also admin. The system will ask you to set a new password immediately. Enter and confirm your new password, write it down safely. Once logged in, you'll be guided through a setup wizard. Select operation mode, choose range extender mode/access point mode depending on how you want to use it. Extender mode extends your existing Wi-Fi wirelessly. AP mode creates Wi-Fi from a wired LAN connection. Scan for existing Wi-Fi. In extender mode, the device will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your main router's Wi-Fi network. Enter Wi-Fi password. Type in your router's Wi-Fi password to allow the extender to connect. Set extended network name. You can keep the same SSID as your router, seamless roaming, or create a new SSID, e.g., home_Wi-Fi_xt. Apply settings. Confirm all entered details. Click Finish to save. The EAP673 will reboot automatically. After reboot, you'll see the extended Wi-Fi network available. Connect your phone/laptop to test if internet is working. Done. You have successfully set up the TP-Link EAP673 via web browser. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.